Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to watch my latest videos, and this is totally free. Hello guys, welcome to Ambrosia the Divine Food. In today's video, I will show you an easy way to prepare coconut peda. To prepare this, you will need only 3 ingredients and some patience. So let's get started. In a white pan, add 1.5 liters of full-fat milk and let it come to boil. Now once it starts boiling, add 200 grams of condensed milk. Give a good mix. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. It will add a good flavor and also will prevent the milk from sticking. From now on, keep on stirring every minute to make sure that it doesn't get burnt from the bottom. After 30 minutes, the milk has started to thicken. After about 1 hour, the milk has reached this consistency. Now add 1 cup of grated coconut and mix well. Keep stirring to prevent from burning and keep the flame low. Finally, after another 20 minutes, the dough for the coconut peda is ready. Let it cool down a bit. Then take small portions of the dough and shape them like a peda. And for some decoration, I am using some pistachios. You can use any kind of nuts. Prepare all of them likewise. That's it. The yummy and delicious coconut peda is ready. This recipe needs a lot of effort and patience, but the outcome is awesome. Do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below. See you soon. Happy eating.